I got cut off. Okay, go figure. I talk too much sometimes. Okay, so anyways, regardless, so we solved D and G. So what that tells us is that this puzzle piece right here is going to have an equation where it's y equals mx, and it says the two y-intercepts. So each equation is the sum of the two y-intercepts directly below it. So y equals mx plus 5, because 0 plus 5 is 5. So then I would have to go through my other puzzle pieces and find which one is going to give me an equation where I have a y-intercept of 5. Okay. Oh, I think I'm going. Pause. Okay, so here's what's going on. So we want to find y equals mx plus 5. So I'm going to give you guys a little hint here. We're going to look at I, right? So this is also good. I and j are a little different format than what we've been doing. So it says it passes through the point -6, -1, and is parallel to x minus y equals 4, right? So first thing we need to do is we need to start getting it into slope-intercept form. So we need to solve for y. So I'm going to subtract x from both sides of my equal sign. So negative y equals negative x plus 4. I'm going to divide by -1 to both sides of my equal sign. So y equals x minus 4. And then I'm going to know, I have to think, what is a parallel line? So a parallel line is the same slope, but different y-intercept, right? That's what takes it from being the same line to a parallel line. So I'm going to say, I'm going to grab y equals 1 times x plus b, because it has to have a different y-intercept. Then I go back to that point, -6, -1, and I'm going to plug and chug to find my b. 1 times -6 plus b. Let's see here. So that's just -6 plus b. Add 6 to both sides. And hey, I get 5 is equal to my b. So I know a couple of things. I know let's see here. I'm going to erase this. I know that I is going to go right here. And I know my equation for I is going to be y equals x plus 5. I'm going to type that equation in. You may want to go through and find all your equations before you start moving puzzle pieces. That's up to you, however you want to do this, okay? For J, you want to think parallel lines have the same slope. Perpendicular lines, or lines that cross at a 90-degree angle, are going to have what's called opposite reciprocal slope, right? So if your slope for your original line is, let's see here, for me, this is positive. For you, I think that's negative. Can't tell in the video. -1/2, then your perpendicular slope would be a +2, right? You take the reciprocal and change the sign. All right. I'll see you guys in the next video.